The future of technology is here, and these 12 groundbreaking inventions are set to revolutionize our lives in 2024. From advanced transportation to innovative surveillance, these inventions showcase human ingenuity at its finest. Jetoptera aircraft, the next generation of aviation. Jetoptera is pushing the boundaries of aviation with its bladeless engine technology. This cutting-edge aircraft can reach speeds of up to 9,188 km/h, making it one of the fastest in the world. What sets it apart is its bladeless engines, which generate 10% more thrust, consume half the fuel, and weigh 30% less than traditional engines. This design not only enhances the aircraft's efficiency, but also significantly reduces noise and vibration. The ability to transition smoothly from vertical to horizontal flight is crucial, especially during challenging takeoffs from aircraft carriers. Jetoptera's innovative approach promises to set a new standard in both military and civilian aviation. Ring Mouse, the portable and convenient wearable mouse. Next up, we have the Ring Mouse, a small but innovative device that redefines how we interact with our computers and mobile devices. This wearable mouse is worn on your finger, offering a more portable and convenient alternative to traditional mice. Perfect for presentations, browsing on the go, or anyone who needs a compact input device, the Ring Mouse connects wirelessly via Bluetooth or USB dongle. It's especially useful for people with limited hand mobility, providing an ergonomic and easy-to-use solution. As technology continues to shrink and become more integrated into our daily lives, the Ring Mouse stands out as a clever and practical invention. SMP-S5 Robotics, the future of security. SMP-S5 Robotics is revolutionizing the security industry with its AI-powered surveillance robots. These robots work in teams, patrolling perimeters, exchanging data, and recognizing patterns in all terrains and weather conditions. They are fully compatible with major security systems and come equipped with self-charging capabilities. Whether deployed in public spaces, business facilities, or industrial warehouses, SMP-S5 robotic systems are designed to keep us safe in an increasingly complex world. Focus Calm, the brain training headband. Next on our list is the Focus Calm brain training headband, a revolutionary device that takes mental fitness to a whole new level. This wearable technology uses EEG sensors to measure your brain's electrical activity and helps you improve your focus and relaxation through a variety of games, exercises, and meditations. The headband is worn on your forehead and temples, and it connects to a smartphone app that gives you real-time feedback on your brain activity. The app measures your brain's performance on a scale from 0 to 100, with 100 representing the most calm and focused state. Whether you're preparing for an important meeting, trying to meditate, or just want to sharpen your mental abilities, Focus Calm offers an innovative way to train your brain. Mach-Wheel Basalt, the all-terrain electric bike. For those who love adventure, the Mach-Wheel Basalt is an all-terrain electric bike designed to handle both rugged trails and city streets with ease. Equipped with a powerful 500W motor and a 48V941W battery, this e-bike can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour in pedal assist mode and 31 miles per hour in throttle mode. With a range of 60 to 80 miles, the Basalt ensures you can go the distance, whether you're commuting or exploring the great outdoors. Its 26-inch by 4-inch tires provide excellent stability, while the front suspension fork and hydraulic disc brakes ensure a smooth and safe ride. Plus, it even features a built-in power station for charging your devices on the go, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Fisker Ronin, the all-electric Super GT convertible. Next up is the Fisker Ronin, a stunning all-electric Super GT convertible that redefines luxury and performance. Unveiled in 2023, this car is expected to start production in 2025, but it's already turning heads with its incredible specs. The Ronin boasts over 1,000 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars on the market. But it's not just about speed. The Ronin also offers an impressive range of over 600 miles on a single charge. With its sleek design, folding hardtop roof, and carbon fiber body, the Fisker Ronin is a true marvel of engineering and a glimpse into the future of electric vehicles. IQIR Atom Car, the portable air purifier for your vehicle. Air quality is more important than ever, and the IQ Air Atom Car air purifier ensures you breathe easy even when you're on the road. Designed to fit in most vehicles, this portable purifier uses advanced HEPA silent technology to remove up to 99.97% of airborne pollutants, including pollen, dust, pet dander, and even harmful gases. The Atom Car is perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time driving. Nexar 1, the 4K connected dash cam. Safety on the road is paramount, and the Nexar 1 dash cam is here to provide you with peace of mind. This cutting-edge device records your drives in stunning 4K resolution, ensuring you capture every detail in case of an accident or incident. But the Nexar 1 is more than just a dash cam. It allows you to live stream your car's view directly to your smartphone or computer, letting you keep an eye on your vehicle even when you're not around. The camera also features live parking and emergency alerts, automatically turning on when it detects motion while parked. With the Nexar 1, you can rest assured that your car is always protected. The Monocab Owl, the future of monorail travel. The Monocab Owl is a reinvented version of the traditional monorail, offering a self-propelled, gyroscopically stabilized cabin. Unlike conventional designs, the Monocab Owl doesn't rely on external mechanical stabilizers. Each cabin balances itself atop a single rail, providing a smooth and safe ride for up to 6 passengers. These cabins can be connected to form longer trains, making it adaptable for different passenger needs. One of the most impressive aspects of the Monocab Owl is its versatility. The interior can be configured to accommodate wheelchairs, bicycles, large luggage, or even convert into a cargo-only variant. This innovative transportation system is poised to revolutionize mobility in rural areas, offering a cost-effective and efficient alternative to traditional railways. The Lingyun two-wheel vehicle, a new breed of personal transport. Imagine a vehicle that combines the agility of a motorcycle with the innovation of an electric car, all controlled by your smartphone. The Lingyun two-wheel vehicle does just that, drawing inspiration from the gyroscopic stability of past designs. This vehicle offers a futuristic take on personal transportation. The Lingyun features a touchscreen interface that controls autonomous driving, battery status, and smartphone integration. With its sleek design and advanced technology, this vehicle is perfect for those seeking a blend of practicality and luxury. The Warthog UGV, the all-terrain solution. The Warthog Unmanned Ground Vehicle, UGV, is designed to tackle the toughest terrains, both on land and water. This versatile vehicle is ideal for industries like mining, agriculture, and environmental monitoring. What makes the Warthog stand out is its high level of customization. It can be equipped with various sensors, manipulators, and payloads, making it adaptable to a wide range of applications. Whether it's complex agricultural tasks or sensitive environmental surveillance, the Warthog UGV is a valuable asset. Its robust design and advanced capabilities make it a prime example of innovation meeting utility. The Cockerel 9, a stealthy ground interceptor. The Cockerel 9 is not just another 4x4 vehicle, it's a formidable combat machine. Nicknamed the Stealthy Ground Interceptor, this all-wheel drive vehicle is equipped with automatic cannons, anti-tank missiles, and machine guns. Its modular design allows for rapid adaptation to different equipment and firearms, making it incredibly versatile on the battlefield. In addition to its impressive firepower, the Cockerel 9 offers superior protection with its armored plating, safeguarding against armor-piercing bullets and the shockwave from anti-tank mines. It can operate on a traditional internal combustion engine or an environmentally friendly hybrid powertrain, with the latter allowing for silent, stealthy operations. This vehicle is set to become a game-changer in modern combat. These 12 inventions highlight the incredible potential of human creativity and technological advancement as they become integrated into our lives. They promise to transform transportation, security, and beyond, making 2024 a year of groundbreaking progress.